Hi, do you know what is introspection? Of course, you must have heard this word a number of times. But technically speaking, what is introspection and why it is required? Because for every successful person, you should better remember that introspection is a key of success. Unless and until a person knows how to introspect in the right way, how to understand the games that a person plays with himself. Because remember, mind is a monkey, and mind always wants to save its space. Why? Because many times, whatever we do, we know it is not right. We do not like what we do. And then we try to give excuses, not to the whole world, just to ourselves. And as a result, we create a mess in our life. Unless and until we can introspect in the right way, and unless and until we can turn this introspection from passive to active, that means from the mind games that keep the active mind passive to the active introspection, which exposes the mind games and lets you do exactly what you want to do while understanding all the layers of your mind. Unless you start doing it, my friends, it's impossible to succeed in life. And remember, our online workshop, 20 sessions on active introspection, is exactly for that. So, if you want to be successful in your life, if you want to be healthy, happy, successful, wealthy, and if you want to have all your relations in perfect peace, then please do not miss this upcoming workshop. It is going to be very intensive. Normally, all our workshops are very intensive, even if they are online. You're not going to feel that they are online. They are so full of action. So, do not miss it. Click the link below, register for your workshop immediately, because remember, even if it is online, we are not going to allow unlimited people. We do have a restriction because even when we are on the line, we will be personally interacting with each other. Okay? So don't waste your time. Register just now. And also remember, till a certain period, we normally offer the fees, which are just 50% of the regular fees. So if you are watching this video while you are very much within that 50% of the next batch, please don't miss that opportunity of saving your money. Okay? Bye. And look within and be happy.